Hi, in this video, we will learn how to type fractions in Microsoft Word. We will look at 3 easy methods to do this. Method 1, using the slash method. First, go to the Insert tab. In the Symbols section, click on Equation. An equation box will appear. Now type the first number, then press the slash key, and then type the second number. After that, press the space bar, and Word will automatically convert it into a proper fraction. This is the quickest method and works great for simple fractions. Method 2, using the fraction tool. Again, go to the Insert tab and click on Equation. This time, click on Fraction. You will see a fraction template appear with empty boxes. Simply type the numerator in the top box and the denominator in the bottom box. This method is useful when you want a clean and professional-looking fraction. Method 3, creating complex or nested fractions. Once again, click on Equation from the Insert tab. Click on Fraction, and a fraction template will appear. Now click inside the numerator. From the fraction options again, select another fraction. This will insert a fraction inside the numerator. You can do the same thing for the denominator if needed. Now just fill in the blank boxes to create complex fractions. These were the 3 simple ways to type fractions in MS Word. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.